finished. Mandalorian and the Child. Mandalorian, BrickHeadz, there you go. It's only 270 odd pieces between them, both of these. Well tooled up with a big rifle on the back. Two little spares at the bottom there. Lightsabers, little pistol. I like that touch as well. Little set of binoculars on a little stand, so nice little man. And the child in their floating little baby carriage. There you go. Nice, easy. You'll have to rebuild it again then. Nice, easy, simple models these. And he just pops out if you want to put him on display on his own. The box shows his ears the other way round. I don't know whether that's supposed to make him look sad or just waking up on a Monday morning perhaps, yeah. So, and he just pops back in his little cradle. Mandalorian and the Child. BrickHeadz are quite popular. I know somebody that collects these, so you'd have thought, yeah, they would eventually put some Lego ones out, and I can see some more of these coming out because, yeah, they are very collectible BrickHeadz. So, and this is 113 and 114 in their collection. So, yeah, very simple, nice little kit, very easy to display. And if you'd looked at the showcase, you'll notice that the amount of spares in this kit is quite incredible. I've never known so many for such a small kit. So yeah, they'll just go in the spares box. Mandalorian and the Child. On to the next one. Take care, keep safe.